Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to sign in Google Docs. If you find this video useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you. Okay, first I will create a new document. And now I will find a space to make the signature. Click on Insert, Drawing, New. Now here we will select the line, and we'll make a horizontal line, but depending on how big we want the size of the signature to be. Click here if you want to change the color. Save and close. Well, now, to make the signature, we will go to Insert, Drawing, New. You can also import it from Drive. Now click here and select this one. And just make the signature. Once it's done, click on Save and Close. And adjust the size to your liking. If you found the video useful, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.